This billboard shows opposition to wind farms on Delmarva. Opponents got a slight win in the form of a compromise over a bill that would overturn Sussex County's denial of an offshore wind substation. Coast TV's Brandon Ferguson shows us what's next for the project.
This footage shows the old Indian River power plant where U.S. Wind wants to build a substation for an offshore wind farm. That was denied by County Council last year, but a new bill would overturn that to an extent. A bill just passed that will require counties to approve conditional use permits for substations located on unincorporated land if the proposed facility meets a specific set of conditions and is renewable energy. However, it won't go into effect until next year. That is to allow court proceedings of U.S. Wind's lawsuit against Sussex County to play out. Senate Republicans say the offshore wind bill was a sticking point before legislators okayed a $977 million bond bill, saying, quote, "By doing so, the agreement protects the authority of Delaware's courts to decide the matter fairly and independently." Off camera, people told us they were worried about offshore wind hurting sea life, but Jane Moore is a local and doesn't see a problem with the offshore wind programs.
I don't think it's going to affect anything other than it could help bring down the cost for electricity if it was for everybody.
Here in December, Sussex County Council voted 4-1 to deny the conditional use request of U.S. Wind to build an electrical substation near the old location of the Indian River power plant. The reversal of that will now have to wait a year due to the compromise and as court cases continue. In a statement today, U.S. Wind says the newly passed state law, quote, helps eliminate unlawful and unnecessary hurdles to a project that will help ensure electric reliability. In Sussex County, Brandon Ferguson, Coast TV News.